Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be on Jurgen's 13B. It's a 13B extend port, mild port, street port, whatever you want to call it. It's going into a Lotus, and he's from Germany, and it'll be ripping around the Nürburgring. So yeah, interesting little combination that he's putting together. So like I said, just a mild port, street port. Didn't want the undrivability, as he put it, for the cruising with the bridge port. And his goal was, I think he said 150 or 160 wheel horsepower. Realistically, I think on this it'll more than achieve his goals. I expect it to make probably somewhere closer to 200. We've got Series 4 NA rotors. Now these rotors have been just tip clearanced and side clearanced, as he'll be obviously pulling some big revs on the Nürburgring. Having driven around the Nürburgring in a Porsche, I can only imagine what this little rotor is going to be doing down a couple of those long straights. So yeah, Series 4 NA rotors. The rotating assembly's been balanced. We've got an RX-8 crank. It'll get Pro Seals 2mm apex seals. We've got our power seals, corner seals, and power seals side seals, and the water retention kit. Everything else will be Mazda. Side seal springs, oil ring springs, corner seal springs, apex seal springs. It does get new oil cages. Being a heavy rotor, the front weight did require some Mallory. But that has all been done now, everything's been prepped. So I'll put the camera down and do the assembly. Okay, so our rotors are assembled, and they're ready to be installed into the engine. So we'll start the stack on this, and we'll video it along the way. Okay, so that's Jurgen's 13B wrapped up. It's all together. Intake's on, throttle body, injectors. He's running electric water pump in the car. So it's all, we've set the engine up so it's pretty straightforward bolting for him. As simple as we can make it without the car being here. I'll turn the camera around and you can have a look. Alright, so as you've seen it go together, it's a 13B with a mild port, street port, extend port. It's got a 50mm IDA injection perfection throttle body on it. It's got the South Coast rotary big diameter runner intake on it. It's got a 120 amp alternator, serpentine pulley setup on it. It'll run, it's got new rotor housings, Series 5 plates, chromoly flywheel on it. It's got the LS2 coils, 650cc injectors. So it's already, he's going to run a max ECU. I think he said he was going to run on this max ECU and a 6-speed sequential gearbox. Now all that's getting packaged in a little Lotus elan, and that's 600 kilos, I think he said it weighed. 600 kilos was the factory manufacturer's weight on that thing. Obviously it doesn't take huge horsepower to make it fast, so anybody who is in Germany and sees a little Lotus elan ripping up behind them on the Nürburgring or at Hockenheim, I'd probably say get out of the way, because this thing will be a rocket ship. Anyway, so we need to get this downstairs, get it boxed up and get it over to him. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.